In this video, we're going to analyze Conan's quote from Detective Conan. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
お前こそいつも利口ぶりやがってよ。
何ですかそれ。ケンタカなんて
いつ行くなんて。
そこまでだ。二人ともそれ以上言うのはやめろ。一度口から出しちまった言葉はもう元には戻せねえんだぞ。
ケモよ。
言葉は刃物なんだ。使い方を間違えると厄介な凶器になる。言葉のすれ違いで一生の友達を失うこともあるんだ。
So today's quote is these two sentences. 言葉は刃物なんだ。使い方を間違えると厄介な凶器になる。言葉は刃物なんだ。使い方を間違えると厄介な凶器になる。Let's look at the first sentence. 言葉 means words. Wa is a particle that indicates the topic of the sentence. 刃物 means bladed objects, cutting tools, or knives. Is the broken version of the particle no, and when it's used with the auxiliary verb da, it expresses the speaker's strong declaration based on a certain reason or background. It's often used when explaining something to convince the listener. It can be attached to a verb or e adjective, such as 僕は行くんだ。僕は行くんだ meaning I'm going. ここのラーメンは美味しいんだ。ここのラーメンは美味しいんだ meaning the ramen here is delicious. But when it's attached to a noun or na adjective, you need to add na before んだ such as 犯人は俺なんだ。犯人は俺なんだ meaning the culprit is me. この仕事は大変なんだ。この仕事は大変なんだ meaning this job is hard. 刃物 is a noun, so na is added before んだ。So 言葉は刃物なんだ directly means words are knives in a convincing way. But since it's a metaphor, we translate it as words are like knives. Now let's move on to the second sentence. There are two clauses in this sentence. 使い方を間違えると is a subordinate clause, and 厄介な凶器になる is the main clause. The stem of a verb must form followed by 型 means how to do something or the way of doing something. 使い is the stem of the verb 使います meaning to use. So 使い方 means how to use or the way of using. Something を間違える means to get something wrong. And the conjunction particle と following a verb dictionary form means if one does something. So the subordinate clause 使い方を間違えると directly means if you get the way of using wrong. So it can be translated as if you use them the wrong way. 厄介な is a na adjective meaning troublesome, which is used for something causing a lot of problems. And it modifies the following word, 凶器 meaning murder weapons. So 厄介な凶器 can be translated as dangerous weapons. And something になる means to become or turn into something. So the main clause 厄介な凶器になる means they will turn into dangerous weapons. So today's quote, 言葉は刃物なんだ。使い方を間違えると厄介な凶器になる means words are like knives. If you use them the wrong way, they can turn into dangerous weapons. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.